Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete your Allolancer profile. To get a start, go to your dashboard and click Edit Profile here, or open the top right menu and select the profile. The first question is, do you want to appear as a freelancer or expert? If you are looking to hire expert or buy AI solution, select No, which is by default. If you want to offer your services and earn money on Allolancer, select Yes. For this demo, I will choose Yes, save and continue. Next, fill in your basic information such as your name and about me. Some fields may be filled automatically after you write 50 words, like professional titles and skills, but you can edit them anytime. Then add your project work here. Briefly explain the problem, how you solve it, and upload at least one screenshot of the project or product. You can also add, click on accept and go to assessment. I just skip it to show you all the pages to not be safe for this profile. So you can also add your GitHub link in our portfolio here. This is optional, but it helps our team assess your experience and qualify you as a verified premium expert. If you are only a client, you can skip this expert section. Finally, go to verification tab. Click complete verification, here. And you can click on verify with the Stripe. We have a two-part for verification: verify by Stripe for transaction money, sending your business information to be approved that you are businesses, because we are a B2B platform. So we will click on verify with Stripe. Stripe will verify your identity so you can securely send and receive payment on the platform. If you are registering as a business, you will need to provide your business name, registration number, and require verification document. Please make sure all information you submit is accurate as stated in our terms and conditions. Once your profile and verification are complete, you are ready to start hiring or selling and growing your business with Allolancer. Thanks for watching.